Top 9 Largest Animals. The 9 largest animals to ever exist on Earth. No creature has ever surpassed the blue whale in size, but every animal group has seen its share of giant species, from 2-meter-long millipedes to voracious extinct boars and massive birds capable of splitting skulls. Let's go. The largest boar, Daeodon, 25 million years ago. Technically, Daeodon was only a distant relative of today's wild boars, but it had a similar compact body structure. Height at the shoulder, nearly 2 meters. Length, over 3.5 meters. Largest shark, the Megalodon, 1.2 million years ago. Megalodon measured 22 meters in length and weighed around 40 tons. By comparison, a great white shark is about 6.5 meters long and weighs 3.5 tons. Largest bird 6 million years ago, Argentavis had a wingspan of about 7 meters, double that of the largest bird alive today. Likely stood 2 meters tall and weighed up to 75 kilograms. Largest land mammal 30 million years ago, Paraceratherium, the largest land mammal ever. Height at the shoulder, nearly 5 meters, length 8 meters, a distant relative of today's rhinoceroses. Largest turtle 70 million years ago. Archelon was a giant sea turtle, over 4 meters long, flippers spanning 5 meters, more than twice the size of the largest living species, the leatherback sea turtle. Largest arthropod 300 million years ago. Arthropleura was a 2.5 meter long relative of today's millipedes and centipedes. Its size was due to the high oxygen levels in Earth's atmosphere at the time. Largest predator bird 15 million years ago, Phorusrhacos, a 2.5 meter tall predator bird, head length up to 60 centimeters, beak ideal for splitting skulls, too large to fly, but built for fast running. Largest fish 145 million years ago, Leedsichthys, a bony fish measuring up to 17 meters, fed on plankton filtered through its massive mouth. Largest dinosaur 150 million years ago, Amphicoelias belonged to a genus of plant-eating sauropods. Length, likely 60 meters. Weight, 122 tons. What animal surprised you the most? Could you imagine a time when these enormous species roamed the Earth? If you found this interesting, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, or share to someone you think would find this video entertaining. We wish you a fantastic day.